The secret to a perfect, long-lasting interior cover installation isn't actually the adhesive, it's the surface preparation. Whether your car is brand new or you've been driving it for a while, almost all interior trims have a layer of factory coating or accumulated oils that prevent a strong bond. If you attach the cover over the oily residue, the cover will absorb those oils, causing the adhesive to lose its grip. As a result, the edges will start to lift and the cover will eventually peel off. In this video, I'll show you how to properly remove these oils so your cover stays on securely for years to come. Let's get started. First, prepare a cleaning solution by mixing water and dish soap in a 2:8 ratio. A mild dish soap is perfect for breaking down stubborn grease without damaging the trim. Spray the solution evenly onto the attachment area. Then, using a clean cloth, wipe it meticulously while applying firm pressure with your hands. Pay extra attention to the corners and curved areas, and make sure to wipe them multiple times. Once you've scrubbed the area, use a fresh dry towel to wipe away any remaining solution on the trim. After wiping, touch the trim with your hands. It should feel clean and grippy, not slippery. If any oily residue remains, you'll need to repeat the process. If it still feels slippery after the second attempt, we recommend waiting a day and repeating the process one more time before attaching the cover. Once the oil is gone, spray plain water this time to completely wipe away any remaining soap residue. Next, use a hairdryer or a heat gun to dry the area completely. If you don't have these tools, letting it air dry yourself is also fine. Just make sure it's bone dry. Removing all oils and ensuring a dry surface is the only way to get a clean, professional finish without any lifting. That's it for our guide on removing interior oils. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our customer service center anytime. Thank you.